get too far.
Here, the woodpecker.
Got some more.
No, baby.
Some water.
Yay. Yay, yay, yay. Papa, do you remember we went to the beach?
Remember we went to the beach? Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
You want to go again?
Yeah. But it's too far.
Oh.
Yes, it is. It's really, really far. Oh, excuse me.
That was just disgusting.
I said excuse me.
You're excused.
Doesn't change the fact that it's still disgusting.
It's so disgusting and loud.
Not just disgusting.
What did you like about the beach?
Fun. But where's the sandcastles?
You have to have toys to make sense.
So, what are you doing? What's this
I'm
stuff?
drinking coffee.
Huh?
I'm drinking coffee. What are you doing? Don't move the book.
I'm doing...
Absolutely nothing, huh?
I'm doing stay down.
Down.
Oh,
Can you sing a song from the radio?
What?
Sing a song from the radio.
What kind of?
A song that you like on the radio.
Oh, baby. Now can I take pics?
No.
That tickles. Oh, he's drinking the cake.